everybody. I was just double checking. And hey everybody, today we're going to do Sir Banana's chocolate banana milk. Like the previous one. Except, obviously, it's chocolate. So we'll give it a little shake here. And we'll show you the front real quick. There's an upside down monkey. Sir Bananas. Real bananas. Coca and low-fat milk. And then a depiction of bananas. And on the side, there's some type of message that the corporation wants to entertain you with. Then there's nutrition facts, and we'll go over those here in a minute. And then a description of, it says a jolly good source of 7% protein, calcium, potassium, vitamins A and D, vitamin B12, phosphorus, and riboflavin. And it says no more monkeying around, blah, blah, blah. But let's get to the nutrition facts, which are very important at this time. It says 1 cup is the serving size. Servings per container, 8. Calories, 150. Calories from fat, 20. So it's relatively low in calories from fat. Total fat, 2.5 grams. Saturated fat, 1.5 gram. Trans fat, 0 grams. Cholesterol, 10 milligrams. Sodium, 130 milligrams. Potassium, 960 milligrams. Total carbohydrates, 25 grams. Dietary fiber, 1 gram. Sugars, 22 grams. And protein, 7 grams. And it breaks it down without the numbers here in this depiction. And then it has the ingredients and what have you. Let's open it up and find out what's going on. Yep. Okay. Find that thing right there. And then we'll have the old cup, and we'll do a pour, and almost lose it all. Okay. Let me set that down real quick, and set this down real quick, and go back to the cup. Obviously, it looks like traditional chocolate milk, but they've infused it with banana and coca, and you can tell. But it's, in this case, as opposed to just bananas and milk, I believe the coca is inhibiting the banana scent. So we have just a slight aromatic of the banana, and actually no indication of the chocolate. Okay, there it is. There it is. Now we'll give it a shot. The initial taste, I only can tell that it has banana. Okay, there's that blend of chocolate and banana, but it's almost like, well, it's almost like eating a banana with chocolate milk. And it's very good. I'll give you this thumbs up on this one for Sir Banana's chocolate version. I would recommend this as a go out and buy it. It's very good. And that's it for this video. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Take care.